Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make mushroom chili today. Before we get started, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference. So let's get started. Preheat your cooking pan and add some oil. Let the flame be medium and add finely chopped garlic. Fry it for 30 seconds and add green chilli. Mix it through and add pureed tomatoes. Add salt and let it cook for 2 minutes. To make tomato puree, roughly chop some tomatoes and blend them smooth. Now add mushrooms, mix it well and cook it covered for 2 minutes more on medium flame itself. The mushrooms are almost cooked. Add some soy sauce. Next goes in some pepper powder and Bafat masala powder. Click the card above to know how to make Bafat masala powder yourself. Mix it all well and add roughly chopped onions and capsicum. Combine everything together and cook it covered for 1 minute more on a medium flame itself. And your mushroom chili is ready to serve. You can have it as an appetizer or a side dish. Enjoy it the way you like. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also follow me on all my social media, as to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing.
Thanks for watching.